Whether electric vehicle popularity is due to a push from government regulations or an increase in sustainability-minded customers, it's hard to deny that EVs and hybrids are at least here to stay. However, as the popularity of EVs continues to rise, so does skepticism surrounding tires designed for them. If you ask Hankook Tire, the benefits of equipping EVs with EV-specific tires far outweigh the cost of not having them equipped for your vehicle. Just like off-roading vehicles perform best with MT, AT, or RT tires, EVs will perform better if equipped with tires designed to fit their features. For example, EVs have a designated range, and tires specifically designed for them generally feature reduced rolling resistance, in turn increasing driving distance and reducing how often the driver has to charge. Manufacturers like Hankook design EV tires to meet the demands of EVs in all seasons by including iON innovative technology, now used in all the company's EV tires. This technology includes noise-proof technology, provides even tread wear and enhanced mileage, and increased grip and rigidity. To achieve minimum tread pattern noise, Hankook's EV tires, like the iON line, feature knurling technology applied inside the grooves. These knurled patterns effectively narrow the air path when the tread makes road contact, reducing the noise generated without compromising the groove's intended features or capabilities. Hankook also reduces tire noise through optimized multi-pitch sequencing. This means Hankook's tire engineers identify the number and size of pitches to ensure the quietest possible ride. The tread design in these tires varies the size and shape of tread blocks to create a randomized road contact pattern, in turn minimizing noise. These features can make a big difference in the cabin with no engine to cover up road noise like we're used to. What about weight? EV lithium-ion battery packs can add 10 to 20% more weight to EVs compared to similar ICE vehicles. To counter this, Hankook builds its EV tires with its EV contour technology, which in turn increases lateral rigidity by 25% and cornering rigidity by 20% compared to all-season touring tires. That means Hankook's EV tire lineup not only helps to mitigate weight concerns, but provides exceptional handling in all seasons. Tire wear is a concern among EV owners as well, which also relates to weight concerns. Electric motors generate full torque off the line, resulting in more powerful and faster acceleration, meaning tires can wear quicker if not made specifically for EVs. Hankook's Evolution compound, composed of high-concentration silica, is designed to evenly spread road pressure to extend tire life and provide healthier tire conditions. With this technology, tires will not only last longer, but give drivers more range thanks to the lower rolling resistance compounds. While EVs could be equipped with non-EV specific tires, drivers who do this will see their tires wear quicker, but could also mean many of the benefits that come with owning an EV are diminished. Going with a set of Hankook's EV tires means customers will get peace of mind with noise reduction and don't have to be concerned with tires wearing quicker, or that their tires will deal with the increased weight and torque that comes with driving an electric vehicle. I'm Kyle Alexander. Thanks for watching.